Hello, assalamualaikum. Welcome back to the levelup.id channel. In this video, we're going to share with you how to restore or recover your deleted WhatsApp data before you backed it up. For those of you who use WhatsApp, you probably already know that you can back up your chats in the WhatsApp application. Then, if you later switch devices or maybe your chats are permanently deleted, you just need to restore the backup you made earlier, so your WhatsApp chats will return to the way they were. But what if we forget to back up the chats and then we've already deleted them, including the files inside like photos, videos or other documents? We can't restore them directly because we didn't have a chance to make a backup file, but don't worry, in this video we'll share it with you. What if we forget to back up our WhatsApp data and then we've already deleted the chats and the files inside? We can still restore them by using the Tenorshare Old Data WhatsApp Recovery application. By using this application, just like its name and as we've explained earlier, you can use this application to recover your WhatsApp data or chats even if you haven't had the chance to back up your WhatsApp chats yet, guys. And in this video, we will demonstrate how to recover WhatsApp data on an iPhone, but if you're using Android, you can do it too. Just watch this video until the end, and without further ado, let's get straight to the tutorial. Okay guys, here we are already on WhatsApp on the iPhone we're using. Next, let's check the chat backup section first. Then you can see that there are no backups that we've made before, right? Now we're going to try deleting some chats from people we've chatted with here. For example, let's delete the one from Bayu. We'll just delete it right away. After that, select delete chat, then let's try deleting another chat. For example, this one from mom, we'll just delete it and choose delete chat again. After that, now we're going to try scanning and see if the chats we deleted earlier can be detected in the Tenorshare app, guys. Okay guys, first we're going to download and install the app from Tenorshare. Please click the link in the description of this video to go to the tenorshare.com website. Then here you can read about the functions of this app, including recovery, and you can recover more than 7 types of WhatsApp data such as photos, videos or other formats. Here you can also read in more detail about the functions and features of this app. Now we will go ahead and download the app. Just choose free download. If you are using macOS, that's also possible. You just need to click on available for macOS here. Since we're using Windows, we just choose free download here, guys. The file size is small, only 1.6 megabytes, so let's just download the file. After it's downloaded, just double click the file you downloaded earlier to install it, then just choose install and wait for the installation process to finish. For this installation, you need an internet connection, so make sure your laptop or PC is also connected to the internet, guys. Okay friends, the installation is finished here, so we'll go ahead and run the application. Just select start. And this is the interface of the WhatsApp data recovery application from Tenorshare, friends. The appearance and UI are quite simple. On the left side, there are several menus we can use, starting from home, then there's device, and here we have iTunes and also history. Let's go to the home menu first. Here you can choose whether you want to recover data directly from your device or from the iPhone you are using. Then you can also recover data from iTunes or from your previous scan history. Here we will choose device because we will directly recover data from the iPhone we are using. After that, you'll see instructions to connect your iPhone to the laptop or PC you are using. Now let's connect the iPhone to the PC we are using, guys. Once it's connected, the iPhone we're using will be detected right away. Then here we just need to select start scan to recover iPhone data or the WhatsApp chat that we deleted earlier. And please wait until the scanning process is finished. During this scanning process, don't use your iPhone yet so that the scanning can run more smoothly, guys. Okay guys, the scan is complete and you can see on the left side there are several files that have been successfully scanned and detected. Starting from chats, then there are photos, videos, audio and also documents from WhatsApp that we might have used. Then in the middle section, there are users that we might have chatted with before. Let's try to look for Ibu here because earlier we deleted the chat from Ibu, right? Then on the right side, the details of the chats we've had will be displayed, guys. Here, unfortunately, we can't recover this chat back into our WhatsApp anymore. All we can do is recover this chat in another format so we can see the chats we've had but they can't be restored to WhatsApp. We will try to recover this chat. We just need to check here, then select recover. For example, we will save it on the desktop, then create a new folder, name it WhatsApp data, and then choose OK. After the recovery is finished, you can select yes. Then here there will be a WhatsApp chats folder, and then there are attachments and also WhatsApp chat. If you open this WhatsApp chat file, it will display the chats or conversations from the contact whose chat you just recovered, guys. But unfortunately, we can't restore these chats back to the WhatsApp app. We can only save or recover them like this. And it's not just chats, we can also recover other things here. Starting from photos, here it detected 16,000 photos. These are old photos that I already deleted. For example, if we want to recover this file, guys, just select recover, then save it to the desktop. After that, go into the WhatsApp data folder and click OK. Once it's done, just select yes, then go to WhatsApp attachment photos. We'll try to open the photo and you can see it. The image quality is also pretty good, guys. The recovered file isn't damaged. Next, we'll try to open the video to see if it's corrupted or not. Let's check this one. This is one of our old videos. If you've been following this channel for a long time, you'll recognize this video. Okay, let's try to recover it, then save it in the same WhatsApp data folder, select OK, then choose yes. Once it's done, just go to the WhatsApp attachment video folder and try to play it. Play and the video can still be played. Friends of the Levelup.id channel. This is a very old video, you know. We once saved this before, but we've already deleted these videos from the phone we used. But it turns out that now it can still be recovered with this application. So if you need an application to restore chats that have been permanently deleted, whether intentionally or not, or maybe you want to recover photos, videos, audio, or other documents from your WhatsApp, you can use this ULT Data WhatsApp Recovery application, guys. And if you want to use the full version, you can buy the license. Just select buy now, then here you can purchase the license. Starting from the monthly, yearly, or lifetime options, just choose according to your preference. Okay friends, so that's how to recover your deleted WhatsApp chats or data using the ULT Data WhatsApp Recovery application. I hope this video is useful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video on your social media so more people can benefit from this channel. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum.